Hey guys, I have a 2009 Audi A4 that won't start after a small accident. And I'm going to show you what the problem is and what part to change. Anyways, and this is what I'm getting. When I try to start it, it does this loud clicking noise somewhere by the engine. See, I'm trying to start it. I'm just doing that loud clicking noise. Anyways, I'm gonna have somebody start it and show you where it's clicking. In a minute here. Alright, somewhere, I didn't find it, but anyways, just wanted you to hear it. It's really loud. Anyways, the problem is, it's with the sensor right behind your battery. Let me show you it quick. It's going to be this sensor right there. You're going to have to change it. It's about $180. And how you could make sure it's that problem is just tighten this back on. And hook up a cable up to there and just right there. You can go straight through the sensor. That way the car is going to start. Right, start the car. There you go. So we'll pretty much change that sensor, and I'm going to give you the part number. There's going to be a link on the bottom. You can go on from there.